Hello there. Welcome back to another pronunciation lesson. Today, we will be exploring the consonant sound Z. Now let's learn how to make this Z sound. Slightly open your mouth, round your lips, and focus on your tongue. This red sound is produced by partially blocking the air between the blade of your tongue and the roof of your mouth.
For this zh sound, your lips are going to be rounded. The tip of your tongue is behind your top front teeth. It is not touching your teeth. And that air is going to keep moving out of the mouth. Your voice box is on. Zh, zh, zh.
It appears in less than 1% of English words, but some of these words are pretty cool, like usual and television. Now let's address some common mistakes. And also, to practice this sound, I will present 30 common words. The first one is Asia. That's right, don't say Asia or Asia, because that's wrong. Please say Asia. Z sound. Asia.
Asia.
We only think the top 25 states, like the US, Western Europe, Eastern Asia, etc.
In East Asia.
The second one is Asian. Asian.
Asian.
In Asian, minority students.
Black, white, Asian, Native American, my sister, you or me.
If you're learning an Asian language, for example.
Another word is Azure. Azure. Don't say Azure or Azure because they're wrong. So please say Azure.
This fundamental fact that Azure, we have Azure, the Azure Digital Twin Service. This very rich cloud infrastructure in Azure. That's what we are building with Azure. Azure.
Microsoft Azure as its cloud platform.
On platform Azure.
Azure VPN Gateway.
Microsoft Azure.
Another word for today is beige. People tend to say by looking at spelling beige. That's wrong. So don't say beige. Please say z sound, beige.
Or however society beige. Beige.
Better and a little less beige and brown. It was more like black and white, a little closer to black and white.
Beige.
Beige or something like that. And then
Another word we had is camouflage. Camouflage. Don't say camouflage or camouflage. They're wrong. Please say camouflage. You can say it with me. Camouflage. Camouflage.
Tucking in, camouflage pants.
Sizes of those bumps to create fine-tuned, neurally controlled camouflage.
Camouflage and dual meaning.
Octopus as a whole, this sense of camouflage.
And we have casual. Casual. Don't say casual. Please say casual.
Hey Jim, Casual Fridays!
Either way, the fact that we all chose to wear business casual clothing
And casual sex is recognized as a massive denial of Christ's lordship.
very casual if you ask it with that casual tone.
He became a casual white supremacist.
And we also have closure. Closure. Okay, don't say closure.
Of our school closure process.
Without having closure.
Yeah, it has no closure.
Another word is conclusion. Conclusion. So don't say conclusion. Please say conclusion.
Conclusion. Be careful not to introduce new ideas in the conclusion of your essay.
Conclusion. Be careful not to introduce new ideas in the conclusion of your essay.
Now let's move on to another one. Concierge. Concierge. So don't say concierge.
And one of my neighbors said to me, is the concierge.
So one is you have your personal concierge.
And we also have decision. Please don't say decision because it's not correct.
Decision. Decision.
Decision. Decision.
Another word we have is division. Please don't say division. It's wrong. So division.
Division. Let's take a look at this word. Division. This word has 3 syllables or 3 beats. Division. 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 Sometimes you'll hear people say this first syllable with an extra short schwa sound, the sound. Division. Both are correct. Division or division.
And we have equation. Equation. sound. So equation, not equation. Okay? So please say equation.
Equation. Equation.
Equation. Equation.
We also have the word garage or garage. British people may say garage, and American people would say garage. Both are fine, but don't say garage. That's wrong.
Garage. Garage.
Garage. Garage.
I like to say that I wished I had a garage for a garage startup, that I didn't even have one of those. I had about.
And another common word is massage. Yeah, so don't say massage. Producing the sound. Don't say that.
Massage. Massage.
Massage. Massage.
And we have measure. Measure. Don't say measure. Please say measure. Measure.
Measure. Measure.
Measure. Measure.
We changed how we measure development.
And another common word we have is leisure or leisure. Either one is fine because American people always say leisure and British people always say leisure. So you can say either leisure or leisure.
Leisure. Leisure.
Leisure. Leisure.
Catered to enjoying cultural leisure.
In my academic days came from having extended leisure to reflect upon the text.
Leisure time.
Another word is lesion. Again, don't say lesion because that's not correct. So please say lesion. Lesion.
Lesion. Lesion. Lesion. Lesion. Lesion.
In only one of them will you find a major lesion.
Area of thinking, and another person might not with the same exact lesion.
And we also have occasion. That's right. Occasion. Don't say occasion.
Occasion. Occasion.
Occasion. Occasion.
Reception for Queen Adelaide's birthday is a wonderful occasion for all people named Adelaide.
The projects, I had a chance to come back on a regular occasion.
And we also have the word pleasure. Pleasure. Don't say pleasure. Please say pleasure.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
It's been a pleasure to have you on the show.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure.
Another word for today is precision. Precision. Don't say precision.
Precision. Precision.
Precision. Precision.
Precision medicine is one way.
It's called precision public health.
The precision of and reach of our Air Force is unmatched.
And we also have the word prestige. Don't say prestige. Please say prestige.
Prestige. Prestige.
Prestige. Prestige.
All the prestige of doing good things in American politics.
Power, passion, mystique, prestige, alarm, rebellion, and trust.
I don't mean to say lowering of prestige at doctors, but
Another word is regime or regime. British people would say regime and American people would say regime. But don't say regime because that's wrong.
You have the Assad regime, which has been killing its own citizens with impunity, brought about by the tough sanctions regime that we put together.
For this word, please say seizure. Don't say seizure.
Seizure. Seizures of illicit drugs have increased by 30% this year.
Seizure. Seizures of illicit drugs have increased by 30% this year.
Born way in the future. He's got some seizure disorder, and you don't understand that.
Reasonable searches and seizures. A stop by an officer is a temporary seizure.
Another common word we have is television or television. British people might say television, and American people will say television. Either one is fine, but don't say television. Please say television or television.
Television. Television.
Television. Television.
You stayed home looking at television?
Listen to seminars, watch television shows, or
And we also have the word treasure. Yeah, that's right. Treasure. Don't say treasure or treasure.
Treasure. Treasure.
treasure. Treasure.
And another word I would like to present here is sabotage. That's right, sabotage. Don't say sabotage. Please say sabotage.
Sabotage. Sabotage.
Sabotage. Sabotage.
Another word is usual. So don't say usual or usual. They say usual.
Usual. Usual.
Usual. Usual.
Another one is usually. Usually. Don't say usually. Please say usually.
Usually. Usually.
Usually. Usually.
Next point that I have. By the way, usually these people, they have not a savings problem, they have an income problem.
Usually what that book looks like would be lost to us.
That the temptation to think that there's a quick fix to these problems is usually a temptation to be resisted.
And let's talk about version. That's right, version. Don't say version. Please say version.
Version. Version.
Version. Version.
And lastly, we have the word vision. Vision. That's right. Don't say vision. Please say vision.
Vision. Vision.
Vision. Vision.
Good foreign policy is having a vision and aspiration.
When I lost my vision, I had no idea what a blind person could do.
It was just a vision.
There you have it. I hope you understand the lesson. Many non-native speakers, including me, we usually say sh, ch, or j instead of saying z. But anyway, with practice, you will be okay. And mastering the z sound might seem challenging, but with practice, you'll nail it. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy sounding.